Hi guys, thanks a lot for coming back to the channel, and for those that have only just found me, thank you very much. Right, okay, if any of you would like to subscribe, you can like, you can share if you want to. It'd be really appreciated by me. Good afternoon, gentlemen, or good morning, whatever it is. Is it? What time is it? Do you know? Quarter to one. Thank you. I don't wear a watch; they annoy me. Me too. Thanks. Is it obvious what this place is? Because you never see any signs, only up there on the roof where I can't see them. Yeah, what the place is, you know. Is it a restaurant or? Yeah, and it'll have 3 letters on it. I don't know what they mean. I can't. Oh yeah, no. Oh, it's Barclays. Oh, good. I like Barclays. They still got my money.
Me too as well.
Yeah, not a lot.
Likewise.
They still got my money. So how long, won't be needing them soon, Barclays? You won't need it, will you? Because it'll be cashless society.
You recording?
Yeah, always recording. Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, records. It's your safety, my safety. You know.
So who are you?
I've got a YouTube channel.
You let us know what you're doing. Don't just come here and record.
Why?
You want to face the camera. Right, yeah.
That's not the law, though, is it?
It was
Not.
my face, isn't it? So right.
Yeah, you haven't. No right. There is no right in public for privacy. Because I'll give you an example. If I was outside Buckingham Palace and in front of me is 2,000 people before I picture the Queen, I can't go and ask all 2,000. Huh? Sorry, can't hear. Well, no, I can't hear you, but yeah, it's. Oh, of course, yeah.
You're recording now?
Yeah, so we're always recording because just in case. Huh? Yeah, bounce it. Yeah, CCTV everywhere now. Every car that drives around, they've all got the dash cam, haven't they?
You can't bounce out of it.
We're on everything now. Can't go anywhere. So anyway, at least it's my favourite bank. That's good news. Right. I might put all my cameras away a little bit later and go and check my balance. Righto. See ya. Have a nice day. The rest of it. Barclays. You can't film me without permission. What's this? Oh, God knows it's gone. Hello.
Hello, sir. You all right?
I'm all right. I'm good, thanks. Yeah.
What are we doing?
I never know what these buildings are because no one ever puts a name on the front, do they? It's all up there.
Yeah.
But when I'm down there, I can't see it.
You can't see it.
No.
Understood.
Yeah, and when I'm half a mile down there and I can see it,
Yeah.
I've got half a mile to forget what it was. And then, even when I've forgotten it, even if it's got BCG on it,
Yeah.
I haven't got a clue what BCG is.
Understood. It's a trading company.
This is.
This is a trading company, yes.
And is it just one company, or has it got every floor
It's got
a different?
multiple companies. However, we have the biggest one here is the trading company,
Ah, I see.
which is the
right,
BGC
okay.
company.
BBC.
BGC.
Oh, BGC.
Yes, not BBC.
No, no, they're the worst in the world. BBC. They don't
Yeah.
like you filming. They film all day and they don't like you filming. No. Ah, see.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we got trading in what? In bonds and things. A bit of everything. Yeah.
In what?
Bonds. What are they
Bonds.
trading?
I don't really know. to be
No,
honest.
just
No.
trading.
It's very quiet, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah. For them.
Oh well.
All right.
As long as they make a living.
Yeah, 100%.
See ya.
Thank you. We don't, from the security aspect, we don't really like people recording from the outside of our building.
Oh, I know you don't.
Yeah.
I know you
So
don't,
we
but
just have
yeah.
to, choose. Yeah.
It's not a problem.
Thank you.
BCG.
BGC.
Oh, BGC.
Yeah.
Up there somewhere,
Gary.
it says BCG.
Yeah, he's all right. He's just recording some
Tell him
stuff
it's
for himself, but he's moving on
YouTube.
now. Yeah, he's moving on now.
5 Churchill Place. And a very nice security man. Does he want to give me his name? My name's John. What's your name? Have you got a name?
It's over here. It's Ali.
Ali.
Yeah.
I'm John.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you, Ali. I'm annoyed with myself. I should have stayed after he was in my way and told someone that I was moving on now. EI. What EI is? Oh. I could sit down somewhere in a minute. The battery's just about gone. Battery's nearly gone on the body cam. Oh, beer barrels. City. Where's that City Bank? City Group Centre. South Square, Lloyd's. I think that was at Halifax. I don't know. One or the other. Whoever's got the horses. Rabbit. That's a hare. Fox and a hare? Could be. Anyway. Right. Oh, he's closing it. Excuse me. In a minute. Which way's the rail? Yeah, the railway. Railway station. Which way is that?
Which one you want to go, Jubilee or where you want?
Is I want to go. Actually, I want to go to Victoria.
We have. I won't be able to let you know that from where the Victoria is going, but Jubilee line is on your right, and DLR and the Elizabeth line is over
right.
there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I need to see the plan.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Oh. Let's go a bit closer and have a look. Domini Hasu Rex et Redemptor Sanguinium Tum Salvanos. God knows what that says. Westminster Cathedral. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Does it say no photographs anywhere? Oh, I don't know. Go on.
Yeah, I can see the sign of it.
Zigzag building 70 Green Street. It's okay. It's well above your head. Hello?
It's not allowed to take pictures.
Not allowed? Why is that in?
You can't be taking a picture. It's a private citizen.
Yeah, what law is that then?
So, is it allowed for you to take pictures of me?
Yeah, of course.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I mean, you've probably got cameras all up there that have taken pictures of me.
As I said,
No?
you can't be taking pictures of me, so
No.
don't even start.
Of course I can.
You want to come inside and do business, it's okay.
Yeah.
Talk to them reception.
Yeah, but all the
You
time.
see me coming out,
Yeah.
you don't need to take pictures of me because I've not even said nothing to you.
Yeah, no.
Taking pictures of me.
I know. As long as you understand, I'm allowed.
You're not allowed to take pictures of me.
Yeah, I am.
Trust me.
I'll give you an
you're not.
example. If I'm sat, are you listening? Do you want an example?
I'm
You're not listening.
to you because
I'm listening. Why
Are you listening?
Why are you? What's the interest? I maybe you're allowed to. Whatever.
Yeah.
What's the interest?
Well, let's answer the first question first because he thinks I'm not allowed. If we were standing in front of Buckingham Palace
Yeah.
and the Queen's come out, so I'll take a photograph of her, but between me and the Queen is 2,000 people.
Oh, wait. Who you expect?
And have I got to ask 2,000 people? Can I have your? Can I? Is it all right to take a
Fine.
photograph?
But there's. Is anyone interested in who are you waiting for? That's what I want.
Him?
Him.
Yeah.
Him
I don't know
personally.
you.
Yeah.
No, you know what? If I was not at work, I'm wearing mufti
Yeah.
and I'm coming out from my house and you standing right in front of my house
Yes.
with a camera taking pictures of me.
Oh.
Trust me, I won't be having a conversation with
Then I'm
and
right.
again,
Yeah.
Who's interested?
But you've got to remember, no one lives here, and it's not a domestic house. Is not the same as here.
Is Tony Blair? Because
Tony Blair?
I've heard that the Tony Blair Institute maybe has an office up here, but I have no idea.
I don't know, he'd be the one to ask. I haven't got a
As I
clue.
said before, it's a
I'm
private
only
property.
here to get people like him out. Give me some content from a YouTube channel.
That is cool, but again, it makes no sense. If you're just going about agitating people just to get content for YouTube, then you're
Yeah.
not getting your money right.
Quite often they end up my friends before I walk away.
No, which friends?
Most of them do.
Do you ever do the thing where you go outside a police station and just like film people there?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I'm not sure if that's legal or illegal, but it does wind the
No,
police
so
officers up.
Exactly.
It's
I see
legal.
that too.
There's only two things I can't do because I've got a drone as well, which I can't put up here.
Yeah, because of the yeah.
So whatever, you know. But in most places I can. But there's only two real places I can't use a drone. One is a prison,
Fair enough.
and the other is an airport.
Oh yeah, well yeah.
So
Do you
those
remember
two.
the Gatwick?
I do when they closed Gatwick down for.
that
Well, I don't
you?
know. It wasn't me, no.
Or do you
No.
know who
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah,
Well,
it wasn't me.
I assume you're waiting for someone. I don't know who it is, but yeah.
No,
fair
no, I
play
was
to
waiting for him.
you. Him personally.
Well, secure whoever's looking at me. I walk past and I pretend to take some photos, which I wasn't. I mean, I did when he came out, but I wasn't taking them before that. I was just going like that, just to see if they move. If they move towards me,
Yeah.
then I'll wait another minute or two.
Oh, well, okay. I still think that maybe there's someone fake. Right, anyway, have a good evening. Have a good day, sir. Well, well.
Do you want to know what the YouTube channel is?
Yes.
Now, I wouldn't normally give this out. I wouldn't give it to him.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay,
It's
that would be lovely.
A vlogging with a V.
Yeah.
Beachcomber. Vlogging.
A vlog with a V.
Beachcomber.
Yep.
Come on. Well, my fortune. Right.
Your phone is.
Come on,
Being
EE.
so
Do. Oh yeah. See. Okay. You do. Yeah. Fair enough.
There's about 160 odd on there. And they're all different. I don't just do
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
you
there's-
know,
there's
so
variants.
I try to vary it. At different places, different days.
Fair enough. Well,
When
sir.
you're bored,
Yeah.
have a look.
Yeah, have a good day.
Bye bye. See ya. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you will have subscribed to the channel to catch everything else of mine in the future. Ciao for now.